5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 100 line. Flat left, 30 up. Left 8 over crest, and right 8. Repeat, left 8 over crest, and right 8 into crest, and crest, left 8. Repeat, right 8 into crest, and crest, left 8. 80. Right 8 half long, stay in on exit. Into left 9. Repeat, right 8 half long, stay in on exit. Into left 9. And left 8 and bridge. Repeat, left 9 and left 8 and bridge. 50. Left 8 and bridge. 50.
So 7 plus.
Okay. Left 6. 50. Right 8. Tightens the 7 late. Repeat, left 6 here. 50. Slippery. Right 8. Tightens the 7 late. 30. Flat right over crest. Repeat, tightens 7 late here. 30. Flat right over crest. 100. Left 8 over crest tightens. Repeat, left 8 over crest tightens, and left 8. 100. Tightens over crest. And left 8. 100. Mid over small crest. 100. Keep mid right over second small crest. 150 down. Mid right over the small crest. 150 down. And then stay right over crest 100. Be right over crest 100. Care brake, flat left into right 8. Repeat, care brake, flat left into right 8. 50 down. Right 7, stay in. Into left 8, tightens a little. 50. Flat left. Into right 9 over crest, stay in. Into or left 8 tightens the 6 plus after crest. 30. Right 6 plus. 250. Right 6 plus slippy. 250, right 8. And left 8. Up. It'll be right 8 and left 8 up. 30. Crest. And right 9 over crest down. Repeat, left 8 up. 30. Crest. And right 9 over crest down. Crest and right 9 over crest down. 300 line. Left 9 over crest. 50. Right 8. Repeat, left 9 over crest. 50, right 8, into crest, 80 down, left 9, and right 8 half long ends after small crest. Be right 8 half long ends after small crest. And left 9 over small crest. 50, left 9, and right 9 into left 9, turn, right 7 opens. Right 7 opens, 50. Right 8 up ends into crest. Right 8 up ends into crest. Flat left, 50. Right 8 over crest, half long, down. Right 8 over crest, half long, down. And left 8 long tightens the 6 plus late. Be left 8 long tightens the 6 plus late. 30. Tightens 6 plus here, 30. Mid right over crest. And left 8 half long. And flat right. 80. Right 8 into crest. And down left 8. 30. Right 8 at junction opens. 50. Care. Late right 6 into bridge. Be care late right 6 into bridge. Flat right. And left 8 up, opens and tightens late. 30. Right 8 opens, grip maybe, and right 8. Be right 8 opens, grip maybe, and right 8. 50 line up. 50 line up, left 6 long, tighten, slippy. Left 6 long, tighten, slippy, and right 8. Over finish.